Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and brings you the latest news from the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share some fascinating stories with you today. As we gaze up at the night sky, we often wonder what secrets lie beyond our planet. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's really caught my attention: the possibility of life around white dwarfs. These small, dense stars are the remnants of stars like our Sun after they've exhausted their fuel and shed their outer layers. But could they still host planets with conditions suitable for life? A recent article published in The Conversation explores this intriguing idea. According to the author, an astronomer who studied the habitability of exoplanets, white dwarfs could potentially have habitable zones, energy sources, and even liquid oceans on orbiting worlds. That's right, folks. We're talking about planets that could support life, even after their star has died. The idea is that if a planet starts out far enough from its star, it could migrate inward after the white dwarf has formed, potentially becoming habitable. However, this process could also cause extreme tidal heating, which might boil off surface water and make the planet too hot to support life. It's a complex and delicate balance, but one that's definitely worth exploring further. The search for life on planets orbiting white dwarfs is an ongoing challenge, as these stars are much smaller than typical planet-hosting stars, making it harder to detect exoplanets using traditional methods. But with the help of advanced telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers are developing new strategies to detect and characterize these elusive worlds. The implications of finding life around white dwarfs are profound. It would mean that planetary systems can remain viable hosts for life even after their star has died, opening up new possibilities for the search for extraterrestrial life. So, stay tuned, folks, as we continue to explore this fascinating topic and delve into the latest discoveries in the world of astronomy. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're glad you're joining us again as we explore the wonders of the universe. Today, we've got a fascinating story to share with you about a rare and mysterious visitor to our solar system, an interstellar comet known as 3I Atlas. Imagine a tiny, icy world, born in the depths of another star system, hurtling through the vast expanse of space, carrying secrets of its distant origins. This is exactly what Comet 3I Atlas is, a cosmic messenger from beyond our solar system, offering us a unique opportunity to study material that formed around a distant star. As we delve into the story, let's set the scene. On July 1, 2025, astronomers detected this interstellar comet using the Atlas telescope. Since then, scientists have been eagerly observing its passage through our solar system, trying to unravel its secrets. One of the key observations was made by the Gemini South Telescope in Chile, which captured stunning images of the comet's broad coma and tail. Now, you might wonder what makes this comet so special. Well, my friends, interstellar comets like 3I Atlas are extremely rare. It's only the third confirmed example we've encountered, after Comet 1 Piamzu Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet 2I Borisov in 2019. What sets these comets apart is their hyperbolic orbit, which means they're not bound to our Sun like regular comets. Instead, they're just passing through, carrying information from another star system. The observations made by the Gemini South Telescope have provided a breathtaking view and critical scientific data. By studying the light and color of Comet 3I Atlas, scientists can begin to understand the diversity of worlds beyond our own. As Bryce Bolin, research scientist from Eureka Scientific, noted, every interstellar comet is a messenger from another star system. By studying their light and color, we can begin to understand the diversity of worlds beyond our own. As Comet 3I Atlas speeds back into the depths of interstellar space, it leaves us with a sense of wonder and awe. It reminds us that our solar system is just one part of a vast and dynamic galaxy, and that even the most fleeting visitors can leave a lasting impact. The story of Comet 3I Atlas also highlights the importance of public engagement in scientific research. By involving learners directly in observing sessions and data collection, Programs like Shadow the Scientist inspire the next generation of explorers and advance our knowledge of the universe. As we continue to follow the journey of this interstellar comet, we're reminded that there's still so much to discover about the cosmos. The mysteries of Comet 3I AIDailyPress are just beginning to unfold, and we can't wait to see what other secrets it might reveal. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on StarChat. Welcome back to StarChat, folks. We've had an amazing conversation so far, exploring the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. As we wrap up today's episode, I want to share with you a fascinating story about one of our favorite planets, Saturn. You know, Saturn is often referred to as the ringed beauty of our solar system, and for good reason. Its stunning ring system is a marvel that has captivated astronomers and space enthusiasts alike for centuries. But did you know that September 2025 is a great time to catch a glimpse of Saturn's rings? That's right, folks. With the planet at opposition on September 21st, we have a unique opportunity to witness the rings in all their glory. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but Carl, how can I see Saturn's rings? Well, it's quite simple, really. All you need is a telescope and a clear night sky. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the Cassini division, a dark gap between the A and B rings that's named after its French discoverer, Jean Cassini. But that's not all, folks. This year, we also have a rare opportunity to see the shadow of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, cross the planet's surface. It's a phenomenon that occurs only once every 15 years, so don't miss out on this chance to witness something truly special. And if you're wondering what makes Saturn's rings so unique, it's because they're made up of billions of tiny ice particles that reflect sunlight in a way that creates a brightening effect. This is known as the Seeliger effect, and it's a phenomenon that can only be seen when Saturn is at opposition. So, there you have it, folks, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness the beauty of Saturn's rings and the shadow of Titan crossing its surface. Don't miss out on this chance to gaze up at the stars and marvel at the wonders of our universe. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.